I continue looking here.
Anyway. Okay, so how do you handle and identify SMI challenge? Sorry. How do you handle and identify SMI challenges?
Actually, you see, all the challenges they emanate basically from the business requirement. Now, depending on the line of business you're in, the kind of customers you have to deal with, you need to adopt your SMI's strategy. And based on that strategy, then you will decide which is going to take more preference. Should I take mobility first, which usually should be the case? Go on to social if you are more into the you know B2C kind of a situation. But nowadays, I feel even industrial intermediate product companies, they need to get out of the B2B mindset and come on to B2C, because that's where the world is moving. Customers are having individual preferences, so you have to treat them more like like an FMCG customer than an intermediate product customer. And of course, the Internet of Things. Now, what exactly is going to be suitable for you in that Internet of Things would really depend on the kind of business that you're in. If you're in a manufacturing company, then you would adopt what is called as an MII, manufacturing integration and intelligence. So that would give you a lot of benefits, at least from the production side. And of course, social media would help to add on to your customer base and retain them.
So, do you think there is still a gap between people talking about technology and people using technology?
Uh, you see, I think in the south of India and the west of India, SMI is taking off. You can see it on the ground. In the eastern part, maybe not yet. But south definitely, and there are a couple of people whom I have met and personally seen the kind of work that they are doing. And there's an example which I can quote to you from the healthcare industry, where they are using IoT to serve the rural populace so that they get the kind of high quality medical help which they otherwise would not be able to have access to. Now, a large hospital in Bangalore, it's a large conglomerate, they are in the process of deploying an IoT solution where they will use drones to collect pathological samples from the rural areas, get it to the center at Bangalore, test, and then take necessary medical action. So that is the kind of service which they're going to provide to the rural folks. So I think the Internet of Things is really taking off on the ground, even in our country.
Thank you.